Hey guys, it's Tammy and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a laundry chat. The laundry chats are hosted by This and That with Denise Jordan. And I kind of wanted to talk to you guys about where I've been and what's been going on. I'm sorry, it's really hot. What's been going on in my life, and I figure I have some just laundered clothes, so I may as well fold and talk at the same time. So, before we get started, make sure you like the video, share the video, comment below, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the bell and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, let's get started. So, and you won't see me fold all of it, just so you know, because this will probably be a quick video. I just kind of wanted to come on and let everybody know what's been going on. So a few people that know me kind of know what's been going on in my life and things that I have been battling in my life in the past couple of weeks. I'm sorry, I have to figure out whose pants these are. Okay, they're my husband's. We kind of wear the same size, so I have to figure out. And I'm used to standing up and folding the laundry. So, but as of lately, in the past couple of months, I have been going through a lot of changes in my life. I've been battling a little bit of depression. Not a little bit, a lot. Anxiety issues. I have been. It doesn't help that the clothes are hot too. I probably should have brought my fan out here. Um, so I have been battling depression, anxiety, issues with finances. I have been dealing with issues with my son, issues with my husband. So I have been getting hit left and right. It's been quite a battle. I'm happy to say I am currently coming out on the other side, which is always good. I haven't made it through everything yet, but I just kind of wanted to let you guys know, what's been going on, and also to kind of tell you, you're not alone. A lot of people look at their situations as far as depression and anxiety, and they don't know, they feel like people are going to judge them, which is something that I went through, and that their friends and family aren't going to understand. And sometimes you do have friends and family that actually don't understand what you're going through. But I have to say that for the most part, I have had very understanding and great conversations with my family and most of my friends. I have had a situation where one of my friends, I had to disconnect with a friend because of something that was said as far as my situation. And honestly, if it's not helping me, if it's hindering me, I can take my friends telling me how they feel about something that I've been doing in my life. I can deal with that. What I can't deal with is judgment, um, and just being mean for sake of being mean, and honestly, a little bit of jealousy. And I feel that because of where I am and where I have been with my passions, which now include YouTube, um, I feel that this friend um, saw me changing in a way that reflected negatively. It reflected her life negatively. And that's not to say that she's a horrible person. She just lives a crappy life. It's not to say any of that. What I'm saying is that um, she was in the same business and field um, that I've been in, and she has not accomplished things that she thought she was going to accomplish, which um, some being her fault, some being luck of the draw. Same situation I'm in. I I befriended this woman working in design. She was actually more in design than I was, and for the company that we worked for. But um, I've always been more of a go getter. I was, when I was in school, I was the student president of um, the American Society of Interior Designers, which is ASID. I, served that board. I served it well. I got as many, people involved as possible. We had monthly meetings, which was something that the previous president could not do or wouldn't do. I don't know which one it was. Um, and I mean, I had a team of other students behind me, but I let them know from jump, you know, this is what I wanted from our chapter. I've served on the board for the Real Estate Staging Association recently. And because of the depression, the anxiety, health issues, financial issues, I've had to step down, which really bothers me. But I know I have to get myself well before I can do anything for others. So I can still do design work, but serving on boards right now is just, it doesn't make sense for me right now. But this friend really, she really laid into me about how she felt um, about my financial issues, how she felt about me um, trying to follow my dream and trying to get my name out there for design. She really made me question, everything that I've told her over the years, and made me question if I wanted to be friends with her. So, long story short, I actually basically severed my ties with her um, because I feel like there's enough negativity being shot in my direction that I don't need it coming from her as well. So I decided that, I was just not going to be friends with her. But um, that's not the only thing, but that did cause me to be very depressed as well, because I just felt like, you know, if she's thinking that, how many of my other friends are thinking these things about me and maybe talking about it behind my back? I could care less of if you're thinking to yourself, you know, oh, she shouldn't do this, and then complain about her finances. I don't really care if you say that to yourself. The problem is when you say it to me and you say it in such a demeaning way, that's when I have an issue. So that was something that was causing me a lot of grief in my head. There have been people that I've spoken to, and they really helped me get my mind together and get myself back on track to what I was trying to accomplish. Um, and that's the people I need in my corner. And honestly, there's a lady. Um, you can find her on Facebook under Daisha I Am, and she makes beautiful pieces of art, jewelry, and um, she's a holistic healer, and you know, she kind of dabbles in a lot of things. She goes to where spirit calls her, and that's what she does. So, um, and she really kind of put a lot of things in perspective for me. Just listening to her speak on her live sessions on Facebook, and she had asked me how I was doing one day, just in a private message, and it was kind of crazy because I didn't even know that she really, you know, knew who I was. I had commented on a couple things that she spoke on her Facebook Live, but I didn't know that she was really paying attention to who I was. So, because she probably has over 1,000 followers on her Facebook business page. So, and probably on her personal page as well. But, you know, she was the first one to kind of ask me how I was doing. And then there's two women that I absolutely love, Beth and Patty, that I was working with at the time, and they would always try to motivate me and, you know, tell me, you know, you're great at what you do. You have to be patient, but you have to keep doing what you're doing, because otherwise, you know, what a horrible world we would be in if you weren't who you are and you weren't doing what you do, you know. And that really put it in perspective for me as well. And a fellow YouTuber who has motivated me, and she always has words of encouragement for me. And I did a collaboration with her, and that is Biddy Boo Brown, aka Dana. She's always been very positive. So with people like that around me, I really felt I didn't really need to be friends with this lady anymore. And I think we have been friends for 15, 16 years, I think. So it was hurtful, you know, to lose the friendship, but I felt it's best for me because I need positive people around me. And even if someone thinks that what I'm doing is wrong, there's a way to say it. There's a way to come to me and say, you know, hey, Tammy, I think maybe this is happening to you because of this. And let's go out for coffee. Let's sit down. Let's hash this out. I'm your friend. I want to see you succeed. Let's figure out how we can help you, how I can help you make this happen. Because others have done it. People that I don't know as well as her. So, that was a little bit of my depression. Like I said, finances, just a lot of things. My health, my mom's health, my sister's health, everybody's health. So it was a lot going on. These clothes are really piling up. It was a lot going on. So I chose to step away from YouTube. There's another YouTuber that I would like to shout out, and that is Ajike Williams. She would send me a private message on Facebook probably every week, just to check up on me. And her advice was, take a break from YouTube, but don't give up on it completely, because I hate to see you build up, these followers. I only have 97. So if you want to follow me, I think I might have 98 now. Because I got a new follower last night. 2 new followers last night. If you want to follow me, please do so. Subscribe to my channel. But she said, I'd hate for you to, have all of these subscribers and then kind of give up on it. And she was right. It was something that, I've been a YouTube creator for, I think, 2 years. And I felt like my channel wasn't going anywhere. But I have the patience of a snail, or not a snail, because a snail goes on forever. A pea. I have the patience of a pea, the size of a pea. So, I listened to what she said, and she was right. Like, I was being too quick to make a decision, which I have done a lot of times in my life, and that's one of the reasons why I am going through what I'm going through. I'm very quick to make a decision, and sometimes the decision is not the right one because I didn't think it through. So, and I can admit that. I'm a big girl. I can admit it. I just turned 40 2 weeks ago, so I can admit it. But that's pretty much the reason why I have been gone from YouTube, is because of, I'm just trying to realign my life, and really trying to get myself together. So that is the reason why. But I'm gonna take some of these clothes because they're piling up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You got to know me a little bit and kind of know why I've been gone for a little while. I'm going to be hitting you guys with quite a few videos in the next couple months. So keep watching. Again, like the video, share the video, comment below, subscribe to my channel, send all your friends, and make sure you hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. So you guys, until next time.